Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and add a location in Google Maps. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So there are three ways you can actually go ahead and add a location. So first is going to be for private use. Second is going to be for public listing. And then third is going to be for your business. So let's start with private usage. All you need to do is simply go ahead and open the Google Maps application and then simply go ahead into the map application, zoom in where you want to add whatever you want to add. And when you go ahead and add that, you can simply go ahead and tap and hold, and then this red pin will come, and then you can simply go ahead and tap on add label and you can just name it, and this is going to be saved for your public, or I mean private usage. Now, if you want to do it for other people, what you want to do is simply go ahead and let's just get rid of this application again, open Google Maps and then tap on your profile. And once you've tapped on your profile, what you want to do is simply go ahead and look for add a missing place and tap on that. Once you've done that, it's going to say where is it missing, and then you can simply go ahead and write the name, everything, and then simply submit it. And if they'll just go ahead and verify it, and if it is going to be there, then it's going to be added just like that. Now for the third one, which is going to be adding your business, simply go into Safari and then look for Google My Business. And then simply go ahead and click on Google My Business and then create a business profile, and it will list it on Google for free. So I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.